we have discussed like how we have discussed about creating categories on the base of different dates, right? Like how a user can select for each category, he can set the budget, and if he wants budget, then budget duration, budget period, right? So what I was thinking is that, um, one second, how it is looking. I didn't give the option here. Wait, let me just give him an option. Okay, yeah. So we can have a this something sort of. Now, in the last video, I have also told you that we are setting some budget, right? But we are changing to how to display or visualize the data, right? So I was thinking like we can giving like we can what we can do here is that we can provide some tabs, like one tab for our home page where we visualize all the transaction, where we visualize the data like how much expenses, budget chart, right? Or a calendar month where we can show like this date the expenses are more, this date incomes are greater, right? And we have separate tabs for a transaction list, for a category list, and one we will keep one more section for settings icon where user can change any where we'll provide some basics functionalities user can change, and we'll give about section also like for app, right? So here I'll just write here e home tabs. I'll just give a home tabs name, and where we'll have a, firstly we have a dashboard page, then we have a transaction page, then we have a category page, and last we have a settings page. Okay, so I'll just modify here with our copy copy and just paste dot dashboard current tab. Okay, so let me just run my command. Okay, so now we can just modify it to current tab dot index. Okay, and same thing I'll do here, copy paste, and same thing this, we'll modify it. Okay, don't worry about it, we'll modify it, and we can have a bottom navigation bar also. Okay, it is already handled here. Let me just do a current tab here, home tabs dot values dot index where index of, no, index element at index. Okay, we have to just hot restart it. Now it is stable here, right? So now we'll create some more tabs here. Let me just modify it with some, like I have gave here. I'll just create a transaction, and there I'll just move this to, or I'll just do one thing here. I'll just provide here, I'll add a where it goes now. Yeah. So here I'll create a new file, transaction list.dart, and here I'll create a stateless widget. Firstly, let me import it. Material dot dart. And I'll create a consumer widget here. Okay, stateless widget, transaction list. Okay, and I'll just have a, let me create a consumer widget, and we have a widget reference. Let me just take the help from home body, and let me just copy here, cut, quick fix, import, quick fix, import. Yeah, okay, let me just take the listener, cut, let me just, I'll remove this code here, and I'll just copy, import, and quick fix, import. Okay, okay, I'll just copy. I'm just copying. Okay, I'll copy it whenever we need it. Okay, um, this will import it. So now let me just handle it here. Um, so here we have a, where goes that bottom navigation bar now? Yeah. So now we'll create more items here, right? Let me create copy. We can just have a uh, items, home tabs dot values dot map to list. Okay, and I'll just create a bottom navigation bar item. Okay, and we have to add a switch case. Okay, we'll create a function here, get current tab icon. uh, Icon data. Okay, copy. And yeah, int index, or we can have a switch case of home tabs, home switch home tab, and we'll define here our all switch cases here. Okay, cut, and we'll have a get current tab icon. Okay, copy, paste, paste, paste. String get current label, and I'll provide a transactions, categories, settings. Let me check in the console what is happening. I guess there. Let me just hot restart it. Okay. Mm, it is not showing. It's the issue. Why it is not showing anything? We have a dashboard, we have a transaction, we have a category, and we have a money. Budget we have. We don't. Let me try. This is we can show instead of home page. But why it is not showing? I'm not understanding. Okay, it is. We have to do. Yeah. Uh, unselected and unselected. We have gray colors dot ember. Now it looks. Mm, if I'll just make it false. And it will produce a clicking sound and long press will produce short enabled. We can just left it. That's all. And for one second. Oh, sorry. Cut. I just hmm background color. We have amber. We can just show. We can just yellow accent. Hmm. Okay, so that's how it looks. Let me just also define here. Uh, we have a title of text. I'll just um, cut and we'll just put it in home provider as of now. Okay, copy. Now I can just have a state dot current tab. Okay, and we can just provide a body. home body, copy. Transaction. Uh, uh, okay. Transaction list, copy. Just paste it here. Quick fix. Import budget body. Now you can see transactions, categories, and settings here. Now what I'll do here, um, I'll just modify this to categories list. Categories, we have list. Now we have, let me just modify it. Uh, okay, and yeah. So now in the next we'll define our dashboard here. And wait. We have filter bottom, right? So let me just, if no, home tab, start transaction. Okay, home we don't have, and in the next video we'll create our this home page, okay, and create our all the charts, pie chart, line chart, and calendar month. Okay, bye bye.